Oh, hey, how you doing? We're going on a bootlegging run. I'm gonna go bootlegging. Yep. Welcome to the blue bike and Georgia. I didn't even know we on a black bike. The B bike, cause it still works. The DBB, the DBB and door channel. It works. Black, blue. Run an intro. So what we doing today, as I'm still debating on wishing I put a long sleeve on, I've got it with me. Squirrels! Oh, yep, I think I'm gonna put my long sleeve on. Because it is a little nippy, a little nippy, a little nippy. Yep, it is a little nippy. A little nippy. I'll show you something while I'm talking about little nippy. They put up this sign that says warning, high pressure gas line. It's 17 years, that's the first time I know they telling us, hey, there's a high pressure gas line there. Duh, we knew that, so maybe they gonna be digging stuff. Buzzard, don't poop on me. Alright, so what we doing is I'm gonna stop up here and put my long sleeve on because it is 61.7 degrees and the overcast sky is kinda not supposed to rain, 0 chance of rain. So yeah, and I'm going to, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm on a bootlegging run. I want some liqueur run. You know what a liqueur is? It's like a fruity, it's brandy kind of, or a distillery that makes a liqueur, which is like it's sweet alcohol. Basically, it's a fruitier. Yeah, I'll put the description on how you describe liqueur. It's not a liquor, it's a liqueur. It's like for, anyway, I like them, and we stopped in there. When did we stop in there? 2 weeks ago when me and Beth rode over the mountain, and we did that. We stopped in there and it was real good. We made some, you put it in some cherry stuff, put my cherries and then pour that stuff over it, and boy, let it set for 3 days. Oh, it's so good. Anyway, we're going to Ellijay. I'm gonna get some liqueur and some boiled pickles, boiled eggs is what I'm gonna get. And today's flannel is the Force, because that's the one I had with me. I feel better now. Hey, your mama now. So, like I said, we're riding up to Ellijay, and we'll see you when we get there. No, I'm gonna tell you how far it is. Feels better. I'm comfortable now. I'm comfortable. My arms is not cold. Apple, it's called the House of Apple. Hell, no, it's called the House of Applejay Distillery. Is the proper name. I'm 92% sure that's the full name of the place. And it is Ellijay is about 100 miles from here. Actually, right at 100 miles. Oh, dog in the road, dog in the road. Get out of the road, doggy. Oh, I want to. I was here to say, well, that horn sounded weak. It's because it's not a motor arrow horn. Yep. All right, we'll see you. Did I say how your mama and them?
Sunrise hums, the road calls his name. Door fires a blue seal riding just the same. With her three wheels rolling right behind through the winding roads, chasing good times. Old hands barking, ready to ride. Leather and chrome, freedom by his side. Southern cruisers burning daylight riders too. Wherever the rubber meets the road, he'll see it through. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. Oh, hang behind the house, he's got a shed full of dreams. Hobo freight treasure stacked up to extremes. Tinkering and cussing, making something new. A little bit of mischief, a whole lot of blue. Both the bridle, hear the seal roar. One more mile, then 1,000 more. A life well ridden, a road well known. On that blue bike, he's never alone. Blue bike and gold, thunder in the air, cruising down the highway without a single care. From wineries to ranching, he's living it right. Just a man and his Harley chasing daylight. Twist the throttle, hear the seal roar. One more mile, then 1,000.
Hey, I got up here early enough that I can had time to kill, so I figured I'd just stop in here first and get me some boiled eggs and fried pies and a Coca-Cola. I don't know what's wrong with you about not wanting to start sometime. So I got me some boiled eggs, some pickled peaches, pickled peaches, fried apple pie, fried peach pies. I'm all set now. Now let's go get my liqueur, my cherry liqueur. Watch for this man's gonna walk out in front of us. Oh, I gotta get somewhere I can start sleeping better. When you get out here, you're gonna get run over. Look at them pretty mountains up there of Tennessee and North Carolina and Georgia. I'm still gonna be early up here to get my liqueur. Hey, see, now you working. How your mama now? Pickup truck. I thought I turned in lane when now it's green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds before I can start moving. Cause these people on their phones. It's a second per car. What we're going to is right down there. Right there, see, it says Distillery. But we can't turn right there. Gotta go down here. What we're going to is right down there. Right there, see, it says Distillery. But we can't turn right there. Gotta go down here. Still got 30 minutes. Early, oh. Well, the bad part is you gotta go down this dang gravel hill. Without sliding. We can wait till they open, I guess, in 30 minutes. So why they won't open at 12? 12:30. Super. I forget her name. I think she must be the one that owns it, because she said, I'll give you my card and I can open. If you should wanted a bottle, you call me. I'll open up for you early. I said, that ain't no big deal. Super nice little lady. She said, I can't serve you no cocktails or nothing. I said, I just want to get the bottles and go home. Make my cherries. It's really good. It's called Wild Mountain Cherries, and you mix it with cherries. You know, frozen cherry, or the cherries in the jar. And then you let it sit for like 3 days. It's not as hot as the moonshine cherries, because I can't eat those. I mean, they just stuff with the moonshine and the cherry just, whew, it takes the cherry flavor out. This one you get a little sweetness and a little tartness and then a little alcoholic. Alright, so we next stop is gonna be Southern Denver Harley-Davidson. Yeah, I got to turn in Arby's and go in that way. Alright, oh, a Mustang 2, no front end. So I can go straight out this way because I'm going back the other way. This is the way it wants you to turn in. Probably been easier to make the U-turn down there. Alrighty, we'll see you when we get to Southern Denver Harley-Davidson. Looked like they was doing something when I came up this morning. Is that show coming in here? I don't remember I did, but I stopped in at Harley-Davidson. My bike, Brad, blessed. Got my loose. I said I got 3 bikes. I got to bring each one over here. He said, "No, we'll do them all at the same time." So I got our bikes for lesson. Good health, good weather, and safe travels. I talked to some people who was trying to bring back up the dead red and filtering again about legislation in Georgia. Woohoo! So anyway, I'm gonna zip on by the Harbor Freight. I'm not stopping. I just ordered a bunch of tools. You done seen that one probably. Feels good, man. It's warmed up to 81 degrees, low humidity. Anyway, you go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button over there and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you down the road.